In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up Close CRM, a powerful tool to manage your customer relationships effectively. Whether you're new to this platform or just need a refresher, I'll guide you through the process step by step to ensure you get started smoothly. First, let's head over to the Close CRM website. You can do this by opening your web browser and navigating to the Close website. Once you're there, the first thing you'll want to do is log in with your credentials. If you don't have an account yet, make sure to sign up and complete the necessary registration steps to gain access. Once you're logged in, take a look at the left-hand side of your screen. You'll see a menu with various options. Click on Settings from this menu. It's usually located towards the bottom, so you might need to scroll down a bit to find it. This is where you'll begin the process of configuring your CRM to suit your needs. After clicking on Settings, scroll down the page until you see the option labeled Accounts and Apps. This section is crucial as it allows you to connect various accounts and applications to your Close CRM, facilitating seamless integration and automation of your tasks. Now, within the Accounts and Apps section, you'll find a button labeled Add Account. Click on this button. This is where you can link your Gmail or any other email service that you use for business communications. By connecting your email, you can synchronize your contacts, calendar, and emails, making it easier to manage everything from one central location. While setting up your account, you might be prompted to allow certain permissions. Make sure to grant these permissions to enable full functionality. This step is important because it ensures that Close CRM can access your emails and calendar, which is essential for tracking communication and scheduling tasks. As you go through these steps, take your time to carefully read any prompts or instructions that appear on your screen. If you encounter any issues or need further assistance, Close CRM offers a range of support options, including guides and customer support to help you troubleshoot any problems. Once you've successfully added your account, take a moment to explore the other features available in Close CRM. Customize your dashboard, set up pipelines, and configure notifications to tailor the platform to your business processes. And that's it. You've now set up Close CRM and are ready to start managing your customer relationships more effectively. Remember, the key to getting the most out of any CRM is consistent use and regularly updating your data. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this guide helpful. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to leave a comment below. Happy CRMing!